Hello, I'm Sonia Clark, a teacher at Ballentine Elementary School in Wake County. I'm here today to share some exciting news. The Phenomenal Brix, a 4th grade rookie first LEGO League team from Fuquay Arena, North Carolina, is going to go across the country to compete internationally at the National Invitational First LEGO League competition in Carlsbad, California. These creative students have designed a shoe from recycled milk jugs and tires. Well, I'll let them tell you more about it.
Hello, I'm Carbat from WFLL of Ballentine Elementary. We're at the Phenomenal Brix manufacturing facility today. This amazing company has taken recycling to a new level by reducing waste through recycling and reusing plastic to manufacture flip-flops for children in need. According to Columbia University, there's 33.6 million tons of plastic that is discarded each year just by Americans. Of this, only 6.5 million tons is recycled. There is also 100 million tons of plastic that is discarded each year. No, there is also 100 million tons of plastic floating in our ocean. It's so large, it's called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. That's a problem. The Phenomenal Brix knew they needed to increase recycling and help society, so we joined forces with local companies to help turn these milk jugs into these flip-flops. Here's Imbot to tell us how sneaker recycling here in Raleigh, North Carolina fits into the process.
Recycled items from homes are sorted by types of plastic such as high-density polyethylene, HDP polyethylene, or PET for short. We learned from our tour of the facility with Bianca Howard, the community education specialist at Snorkel Recycling, that HDPEs are plastics commonly found in laundry detergent containers, milk jugs, and shampoo bottles. PETs are plastics such as single-use water bottles and yogurt containers. After Snorkel sorts the plastic, it is then sold to Plastic Revolutions, or a company that purchases post-consumer plastic to shred and make new products. Ms. Howard told us that it takes 1,000 years to decompose. Scary, but we verified with ABC News.
Thank you, Imbot. Obot, please tell us how Plastic Revolutions of Reedsville, North Carolina, fits into the process of making flip-flops out of recycled plastic.
At Plastic Revolutions, different types of recycled plastics are shredded into small plastic flakes. These flakes are washed, dried, and sorted into natural and colored flakes. We then melt these flakes at a high temperature through a machine called an extruder, turning them into small black plastic pellets. According to Angel King, the office manager of Plastic Revolutions, we would sell these pellets to the Phenomenal Brix to form into their new flip-flop.
Thank you, Obot. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Jackbot, the CEO of the Phenomenal Brix. Jackbot, tell us about the company and its vision.
We analyzed the topic companies making shoes from recycled material, their cost, and whether they were supplying the needed with shoes. Only 2 out of 8 were using more than 50% recycled material. The average cost was $60 a pair, and only 2 were giving shoes to the needy. The Phenomenal Brix have created 100% recycled shoes that are selling for $10 a pair, and we are giving shoes to the needy. We're taking recycled plastic, mixing it with recycled rubber, and voila, we have rubber flip-flop.
Wait, it's not magic!
No, it's not. We begin the process of making our flip-flops by purchasing recycled plastic pellets from Plastic Revolutions. For 1 pair of flip-flops, Ms. Kane said that we would need 2 pounds of plastic, which currently sells for $1.06. To make the flip-flops more comfortable and durable, we added rubber that we purchased from Liberty Tire Recycling in Cameron, North Carolina. Mr. Tom Fry, the general manager, told us that we need a little more than 1.5 pounds rubber crumbs, which currently sells for 41 cents. This is great because it helps reduce the 27 million scrap tires that are estimated to be disposed of in landfills per the EPA. We melt the plastic pellets for the top of our flip-flops, then add some adhesive, the sticky stuff, then firm recycled rubber, and then add rubber crumbs from the bottom. And shazam! The new flip-flop is made from 100% recycled material, manufactured by the Phenomenal Brix. Our mission is to save landfills from materials that can be recycled and to help people in need. So for every pair of flip-flops we sell, we will donate a pair to Souls for Souls.
Thank you. K-Bot is the Phenomenal Brix liaison for Souls for Souls. K-Bot, tell us about Souls for Souls mission.
Souls for Souls is a non-profit global social enterprise committed to fighting poverty through collecting and distributing shoes and clothing. We learned on the website that there are over 300 million children without shoes and countless others that wear shoes that do not fit throughout the world. There are also 740 million people worldwide suffering from hookworm, according to Center for Disease Control. The Phenomenal Brix 100% recycled shoes not only help children avoid getting infections from cuts on feet, but also save their landfills. What a win-win!
That sounds great, K-Bot. Here's Tribot of the Phenomenal Brix to tell us what started this great company.
We chose recycled plastics because we thought of how many milk cartons were going into our landfills each year. We've shared our idea with our school staff and students, our parents, and our community businesses. We have encouraged each to recycle their milk cartons to get them out of landfills and make them into new, innovative products. While sharing our idea with Gingerbread University, a local child care center, we convinced the owner to add a recycling bin to their trash area. It turns out that they needed a bigger recycling bin than their trash bin. The owner was excited to listen to us to make a difference. This is only the beginning. We are committed to continuing our efforts.
There you have it. The Phenomenal Brix are taking HDPE plastics and used tires out of our landfill and changing it into 100% recycled shoes for the people of America and for countries in greater need.
Their work may not be magic, but it's pretty amazing. And this is one of 14 teams that we have here at Ballentine. We also have 21 parents and community volunteers that coach and mentor. We have sponsored businesses like TE Connectivity Foundation, John Deere, United Therapeutic, the Lego Foundation, and our own Ballentine PTA that work with us and partner so that we can continue to grow science, technology, engineering, art, and math, or STEAM, as we like to call it, so that we can continue to grow these things to provide STEAM opportunities for all of our students. Our goal is to provide STEAM for every student in our school, and you can be a part of that journey too. My invitation to you is this. Take a moment and write a note to a student, to a team. Encourage them on this journey. It's not easy. It's hard. It's really hard. But they're learning perseverance. An encouraging word goes a long way. Number 2, come and be a mentor, a coach, or a guest speaker. You don't have to know robotics. If you can ask a question like, what are you doing? Can you tell me about that? If you like kids, then you are just right for this task. Our season goes from the end of August to about the middle of November. Even if you can only come once or twice, it can have a huge impact on the life of a child. The third is if you or your business can partner with our Booster Club, financially, we would welcome that too. So come, see us at work. Come meet some amazing, if not magical, children. I think you'll be glad you did.